This project in Ashburn, Virginia brings together design, engineering, and energy independence into one complete system. We installed a 7.416 kilowatt Tesla solar roof, designed to replace traditional shingles while generating clean, renewable power for the home. Paired with a Tesla Powerwall 3 backup gateway and SPAN smart panel, this system doesn't just produce energy, it stores it, manages it, and keeps the home powered when the grid goes down. This is more than a roof. It's a fully integrated energy system built for resilience, efficiency, and control. Installed by American home contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.